think I'll do an update on the Sprint restoration. I know some people have been following this on YouTube and be interested to see some progress on it. I would be interested to see some progress on it, but you know, I have other more pressing things to do, so finding time when you're not too tired is hard. But I found a little bit more time recently. It's warmer weather, I feel more like working out here, and I've done a bit of welding on it. So first of all, the repair to the top of the strut here, the reinforcing piece, the inner wing and this return had corroded through. When I dug it away, it was worse than it actually looked. It didn't look that bad, but I thought, hello, it's lifting up a little bit, let's have a look. And I found it to be quite, you know, gone all the way through. That's just what happens with these cars. Anyway, cut away the return, cut away the top of the inner wing to reveal the corroded area, removed all the corrosion, cut through the reinforcing piece which goes around the top of the strut, which is this extra thick bit of metal that goes around. There's the hole. I cut it out and cut another piece, same gauge, exactly the same shape, to fit in, and then welded all the way around it. Then reinstated the top of the inner wing. Obviously I've got still to do the return, then plug weld it to replicate the spot weld. I'll be one there, I'll be drilling it and welding it all the way through. There is also, in the battery tray area, this is where the battery sits. That's the battery retainer. There's this section here. It was actually gone through. It was, you know, generally a bit thin around here, but where it started to become perforated, I cut it out, made a repair section with a square hole to take the captive fastener, welded it all the way around very carefully, because it was, you know, it was difficult to do. It was very difficult to actually hold it in place because you can't clamp it. You have to just keep pushing it down. And if anyone's got any ideas for me on that one, I'd love to hear them. So, you know, it's not as pretty as I'd like, but it's structurally sound, and it's not going to corrode anymore because I've dealt with the problem. So there you go. So we'll be able to wax all the inner section, because there's a hollow section underneath this, so you can't get to it from the other side. Anyway, I hope to upload another video in the future. There's one more bad area to do, which is the near side inner wing, where the suspension shock absorber mount is fitted. That has become corroded through the inner wing to the inside of the car, and I can't show it right now because there's stuff in the way, but I will be doing that next, hopefully, and that will be a larger job. When that's done, there's a couple of other little bits and pieces to do on the body, and then it'll be structurally sorted out. I will do another video in due course as soon as I've got something to show. Thanks for watching.